Now today we will try a different kind of flowchart, that is to find out the sum of all numbers between 1 and 5. We will find out the sum of 1 and between 1 and 5. It means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Whatever supposed to be the result, that will be that should be displayed to the screen. That is our motto of this program. Students, at first we need to decide that how many variables we need to take in this question. See, the numbers are from 1 to 5. For keeping those numbers from 1 to 5, we have to take one variable. And for finding the sum, when we will find out the sum, we have to keep those also. So for that also we have to take one more variable. So in this question, we are going to take two variables, students. So at first, I am starting the flowchart. So I am starting the flowchart here. Thereafter, giving the input, giving the input. So here the input will be what? Now the number is going to start from 1. So we have to write here n equal to 1. So n equal to 1 means the n can go up to 5. So n will hold 1 to 5 everything. And thereafter we have to write inside the same box, we need to write s equal to 0. Why s equal to 0? Because sum, that s variable I took for sum. So at last at last, the value of s will be printed. Means the s, the variable which is going to keep the values what we will calculate in between. Okay, so at last the value of s we supposed to print. So as I told, two variable we have to take. So here in this flowchart, I took two variable, that is n equal to 1, s equal to 0. N will keep all the numbers starting from 1 to 5 and s is going to hold the sum, because we will do 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, after doing 1 plus 2, the value has to store in s. So that is what the s we have taken, or s the variable we have taken. Okay, now we got 1. So let's find out the sum. So we can take the rectangular box. Inside this we can write s equal to s plus n. S equal to s plus n. It means s the value is 0 and 0 equal to 0 plus 1. Now the s value will increment by 1. That is, it become 1. 0 plus 1, 1. So the value of s become 1. After the value of s get increased, now it's time to go with next number. That is, the value of n has to get increased. So for that we have to take again the uh, processing box, and inside this n equal to n plus 1 we have to write. Why? Because n gets sum with 1. Thereafter n has to increment by 1. After n increment by 1, then it will come again to sum with the s equal to s plus n, means the sum will be get updated in s variable. So n equal to n plus 1, that is the value of n get incremented in this case. Okay, so now we have to keep the decision box. In decision box we have to keep that how many times or how long the loop will continue. N less than equal to 5, as the value of the question is given that we need to continue till 5. So we have to specify here, is n less than 5, less than equal to 5. If it is less than 5, then our job is what? Now we have to continue the job from the beginning, okay. But but if it is not less than 5, then the job will be over. It means we have to print the value of x. Just a second. Yeah, this is how. So now the print the no part. So this is yes. If it is yes, if it is less than 5, the job will continue from here. It will keep doing the job. So let's put the color as green. Okay. Then for the no, what we need to do? If it is no, if it is less than 5, it will continue the job. But if it is more than 5, then what? The job is over. If the job is over, what to do? We have to display the value of S, because S is holding all the calculations. The final calculation gets stored in S. So we have to specify here that display S. Okay, we got here the result of S. After we receive the result of S, what to do? Nothing. We have to stop the job. We have to stop our work. So I'm just copying this and putting here and can write stop, stop. Okay, so let lining them. Okay, this is from here to here and this is from here to here. Okay, and this won't be, this will be which color? Red color, as we have decided that no, we have to keep as red color, and this will become dark or black color. Fine, this is your flowchart, students. Let me explain it once. So I'm taking a box where I will explain the content. You please see. So we have two things here. One is N and one is S. One is N and one is S. Fine. So at first, N value is what? N is 1 and S is what? 0. This is what? Okay. So now start. S equal to S plus N. S equal to S plus N. S equal to S plus N means 0 equal to 0 plus 1. 0 equal to 0 plus 1 means what will become the value of S? 1. And what is the value of N? N equal to N plus 1. N become what? 2. Fine. N become 2. Before it was 1. So now is N is less than 5? Is N is less than 5? Yes. So it will go up. S equal to S plus N. So what is the value of S? That is 1. 1 will get added with whom? With S. S is what? 2. So 2 plus 1, the value become what? 3. The value become 3. Fine, students. Understanding? Then N equal to N plus 1. N value become what? 4. Sorry, 3. 3. Now, is it less than equal to 5? Yes. So it will go up. S equal to S plus N. So S value is 3. N value is 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So it will be printed here. It will be memorized here. 6. Fine. Thereafter, N equal to N plus 1. What is the value of N now? 4. Fine. Is N is less than or equal to 5? Yes. So if it is yes, what to do? We have to continue the job. So going up, there will be sum again. So S equal to S plus N. S is 6. 6 plus 4, because N is 4. So become 10. So the value of S become 10. Okay. Now N equal to N plus 1. That is 5. Now after this, N, is it less than or equal to 5? Yes, it is equal to 5. So it will go up. S equal to S plus N. So S is 10. 10 plus 5 become 15. So who become 15? S become 15. After that, S equal to S plus 1. S become how much? 6. S become 6. Okay, whatever I am doing here, it is all about computer's memory. In memory, it is doing all this. It is not displaying anything, students. Okay, so S equal to S plus 1, S becomes 6. Now let's check, is N is less than or equal to 5? Is it less than equal to 5? No. So if it is no, then what to do? No means it will come this side, display S. So what is S? 15. So 15 will be displayed on screen and stop. Understood how it is working? This is the process. This also I am keeping on screen. Please listen it again and again to understand. If there is any problem, please let me know. Thanks.